Do you feel like your project is too small? In fact, most professional installers have to quote high or avoid artificial grass projects of less than 500 square feet. The reason is simple. On average, we will have to spend $750 to sign one job. In most cases, there is no profit left. Most installers who reply would either have no work, will try to make money in another way, or run an unprofitable business. All of those reasons create a recipe for disaster. This picture is a typical finished product built by a desperate installer. It cannot be repaired. Desperate hustlers would sign a job and try to cut corners to make a profit. You get change orders, arguments, abandoned jobs, no-show, or worse, injury scams. This has to stop. You deserve a professional installer at a fair price. But we have to change the way a bit to make it affordable and profitable. Here is the smart way. First, we look at pictures to analyze your project. Second, you get a fixed price list with a clear description of the scope. Then, we mail you samples and confirm the start window. If the appointment is required, we are happy to arrange a visit for a small fee. This fee will be credited back upon completion of your project. Does this sound fair? If so, check out our prices below. Let's do this right.